Stop manually rebuilding your Figma designs in WordPress. What if AI could literally see your design and convert it into pixel-perfect Elementor code in seconds? This is the Figma to Elementor AI Converter. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn days of tedious web development into a few simple clicks. We all know the pain. You finish a beautiful, responsive layout in Figma, but then you have to spend hours in WordPress, dragging containers, adjusting padding, matching hex codes, and wrestling with Flexbox just to make it look exactly like the design. It's tedious, frustrating, and a massive waste of your time. Meet the solution. The Figma to Elementor AI Converter is a native plugin that lives right inside your Figma workspace. Using advanced vision-to-code AI, it doesn't just guess your CSS. It analyzes the visual structure of your layers and translates them perfectly into Elementor JSON code. No external apps, no complicated setups. The workflow is incredibly simple. Step 1, select. Just highlight any frame or section inside your Figma canvas that you want to bring over to your website. For the fastest and most reliable AI conversion, we recommend selecting smaller sections one at a time, rather than trying to convert a massive, full-page design. Step 2, convert. Open the plugin and click Convert with AI. You have access to dual AI agents. Our vision-to-code engine provides the highest quality results by analyzing your layout visually, while the HTML agent offers an alternative fallback. The AI instantly processes auto-layouts, typography, and absolute positioning in real time. Step 3, paste. Once the AI finishes generating the code, simply click the copy button to grab the Elementor JSON payload. Jump over to your WordPress dashboard, click anywhere inside your Elementor editor and hit paste. Boom, your design appears instantly, with all fonts, colors, and layout structures perfectly preserved. Under the hood, this isn't just basic CSS generation. The AI engine intelligently maps Figma's auto-layout properties directly to native Elementor Flexbox containers. It calculates exact padding, margin, and gaps without guessing, and automatically matches Google fonts, font weights, and line heights so you don't have to tweak anything manually. Whether you are a solo freelancer or running a massive web agency, the return on investment is instant. The starter plan begins at just $9 a month for 50 conversions. The Pro plan at $29 gets you 200 conversions and priority support. And for high-volume teams, the agency plan provides a massive 1,000 conversions per month for $79. Join over 1,700 web designers and developers who are already accelerating their workflow. Stop wasting hours trying to perfectly translate designs by hand. It's time to stop coding containers and start actually building and shipping client sites faster than ever before. That is the Figma to Elementor AI Converter. Your designs live in WordPress in seconds. Search for it in the Figma Community tab today, install the plugin, and get your first layout converted in minutes. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more workflow hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.